Hey guys, what's up? I'm Palak Lakhani. In this channel, I make educational videos focusing mainly on studying, working, and living in Germany. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. So in today's video, we have Balaji with us. He is in Germany for past 8 years and he is associated with this field of student colleague for past 4 years. So he is here to discuss with us about student colleague and the concepts related to student colleague which are not talked about much in other videos. So his experience in this field will be really valuable for all of you who wants to come to Germany to pursue your bachelor's degree. So let's get started with today's video.
Right.
Now this is the question which is mostly asked because student has invested so much money for coming here for studying student colleague. So they want to finance themselves sometimes here, but they are not clear if they can do this part-time job in Germany or not. So what do you have to say about this thing?
Yeah, I keep getting this question again and again. You know, in our Facebook pages and in WhatsApp groups and in our community, this is the most discussed topic. Sir, can I do part-time jobs? So guys, before getting into this topic, I would say your first focus should be on your education. You're coming to Germany to study and then go to university. You have a very long way, you know, student colleague, then 3 years of bachelor's, 4 years of bachelor's, and then master's. So you're gonna be in this journey for a very, very long time, and this 1 year is going to be your foundation. So don't always plan your whole this preparation based on your part-time job and this opportunities. So having said that, there is always this, or you would say, misinformation on the internet says that, you know, yes sometimes, no sometimes, but the actual answer is also yes and no. So see, you are coming to Germany to do the student colleague. You are in this visa called student preparation visa, Studienvorbereitung Visum, where they give you a visa for 2 years and then they say that do this language plus student colleague, then you go to university, you find a place in university. So this 2 years you are given the student preparation visa. So what the actual rule in the student preparation visa is, in the first year when you enter in Germany, you can do part-time jobs, but with an with the exemption rule, or with the rule saying that yes, you can do part-time jobs, but in a very limited areas, limited hours. So what it says is, actual law says is, you can work 120 full days or 240 half days, so like 20 hours per week, or it goes like that. So 120 full days or 240 half days, but only in the holidays time.
Okay.
So they says that Ferienzeit.
Yeah.
So whenever you have the holidays time, you can do. So this is a very broad term to describe when is this holidays. It's basically the Christmas time, when you have this break of 3 weeks, 4 weeks Christmas vacation. So by this time you can do the part-time jobs, and then you have the Easter holidays sometimes, and then you have the summer holidays of between July, August. You have the summer holidays of couple of months. These are the times where you can do your part-time jobs.
Okay.
So this is the first year rule. When you enter into the second year, the law changes. It says that you can work 120 days or 240 half days throughout the year. It could be any time of the year, like in the weekends or in the weekdays, in the holidays time, non-holidays time, it doesn't matter. So it's basically like a student visa. You can work as much as you want, however you like, but within the limited time.
Okay.
But before doing any of this, I would really suggest that go and check in your local Ausländerbehörde. Ask them that, hey, I'm in student preparation visa, I am visiting my student colleague in this particular institute, and then this is my second year in Germany. What are my options? Can I do can I do my part-time job or not? So confirm with them.
Okay.
Get something in written if they provide you.
That's the most important thing in Germany, I guess.
The law is already there, but it slightly varies from the state to state, from the city to city.
Okay.
So sometimes they they don't give you the work permit. So you have to go and request them, hey, I'm into my second year, this is my, this is the law, so can you, give me this work permit so I can do part-time job when I don't have my classes or in the weekend. So don't give them the impression that you're gonna do part-time and then you're not gonna visit the institute. You have to be very particular about that. So tell them, hey, I'm doing my student colleague, I have some spare time in the weekend, so I have to, I would like to do this part-time job, and according to my second year rule, I can get this work permit, so could you help me with it? So they will definitely let you know what are your options next. And then when you have this confirmation and you're cleared, then go and look for an employer. Then go and look for a part-time job. If you wanted to work in a city where you can do different part-time jobs, you can work in the food industry, you can do delivery, and you can work in the libraries, you can work in under the some professors. This actually happens in university, but inside the student colleague you don't have this much of opportunity to work under professors or university. It's not possible, so you have to do a different part-time job. Mostly students work in this particular sector of delivery, working in KFC, McDonald's, and it's fine. Any job is good as long as you get paid for, you get the right amount of payment for the work you're doing. So see, the part-time is a very common culture among the Germans on the international, because they like to be self-dependent. So they like to do the part-time job, earn for themselves, finance their whole studies, and then plan. So don't be shy. This is also an opportunity for you to improve your German language, because you're working in an international environment, you're working with the Germans, you get to interact and you get to speak the language every single day. With language, one thing always you have to keep in mind is, the more you speak, the more you learn. So part-time could be an opportunity in a positive way. Don't always consider that I have to earn XYZ euros so I can manage my studies. It's not like that. This is an opportunity for you to learn your language, practice the language, but at the side by side you also earn for your expenses. So keep the priority like that.